I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain Augie palette reviews. Friends, in this video I'll help you know whether Augie eyeshadow palette is a legit product or a scam one. So guys, this is not our product. If you have never ordered this product, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. That is, should I buy this product or not? Guys, in case if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the beautiful and attractive picture of this product, Augie eyeshadow palette bundle. So guys, this is an eyeshadow palette launched by the famous YouTuber Jeffree Star in the United States. Although this product is available worldwide too, and the palette is available on Jeffree Star's website. You can take a look at the amazing pictures of this product here along with the price, which is $78, and you can buy this product by just putting the number of quantity as per your need and requirement, and you'll get this product at the price of $78. Now, before going further, let's know more about this product's features and benefits. But guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this product as a scam or legit. So let's discuss. So guys, when it comes to the features, this eyeshadow includes all matte eyeshadows in a variety of colors which can be blended easily and are quite versatile. So I think this is a good point. And in this product, you'll get 30 eyeshadow colors which are included in the palette and ranges from the darkest brown black to white. Some of the names of the lightest shades are nude leaf and light nude. You can take a look at the amazing colors here. And some will be teddy pullovers in chocolate and tan. Now guys, when it comes to the legitimacy of this product, so I would like to say the Jeffree Star's website on which this product is launched is now almost 9 years old. Guys, remember, 9 years old. So which shows that the website is legit and the product is too. So according to this fact, we do not have any legitimacy issue on that front, but yes, deeming it as legit in such a scenario would be wrong. So we need to give it some time and meanwhile see how it's faring among other users as well. Now coming to the pros of this product, as I have already discussed, this offers a range of shades which is completely matte, making it perfect for daily wear. So I think this is one of the ideal products for every individual or woman. This palette is entirely vegan and cruelty free, which is a good thing. And guys, coming to the reviews, you can find all the customer reviews on or product reviews on YouTube, which are mainly positive. Guys, this palette is barely 4 days old, so it cannot be called as a legitimate one, but yes, we can check out and read the review on YouTube and other social media platforms as well. So coming to the social media presence, this product is available on various social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube. You can take a look by clicking these social media icons and you'll be redirected to the particular page of particular social media account. So guys, mainly the customer reviews and product reviews are positive, but yes, you can wait until all users will use this product. So in the final conclusion, I would like to say this Augie palette has the potential to reach the top as far as their performance is concerned. And certainly this product, do not say anything negative about this product. So guys, Share your views in the comment as well. It will give benefit to other customers. And if you have any problem with your money, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. So do comment your thought about this video as well, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe, and thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a good day.